One robot, 2.3 seconds per task. Multiply that by thousands. Inside the $10 billion factory,
This is where AI is born.
the size of a house. $4 million per machine. 5,000 tons of force. Every 1.8 seconds. Zero margin for error. What happens if it fails? Sand. That's where it starts. (1600°C). Purer than anything in nature. Why so pure? The cooling begins. Cooled by 500 gallons per minute. One ingot, 1,000 chips. What's inside it? Now it gets sliced. How thin? Thinner than human hair. (300 wafers from one ingot). Cleaned, polished, inspected. Why so clean? Now inspection begins. What are they looking for? This is the most expensive part. UV light at extreme precision. (47 billion transistors per square inch). Developer chemical removes unexposed resist. What's underneath? Transistors are now defined. This repeats 47 more times. Plasma etching removes silicon, layer by layer. Silicon atoms ejected one at a time. One layer complete, 47 to go. Now comes deposition, metal layers added. What metal? condensing into a perfect film.
Layer 2 of 48.
Polishing flattens all irregularities. Why flatten? Chemical mechanical polish, CMP. Flatness within nanometers. This cycle repeats 47 times. All 47 billion transistors complete. Now they need to be connected. How are billions connected? Vias, smaller than bacteria. Polish removes excess, creating the neural pathways.
$47 billion connections, all mapped, all calculated.
Protected by insulation layers. All 48 layers done, now separation begins. A billion transistors per second will flow through these connections. Each cut, perfect. From one wafer, 300 chips. Now comes the truth, testing. $47 billion transistors tested simultaneously. This one passes. But this one fails. Every second, 100 chips tested. %98.7% of chips pass. The rest are destroyed. Grade A, the fastest chips get premium pricing. These failures teach us what to improve. Ready to ship worldwide. Each solder connection, micron perfect. (200°C) melts solder for permanent bonds. Underfill strengthens the connection. Substrate routing carries signals further. Now for the protective plastic shell. Plastic protects and organizes everything. Tiny connectors carry signals out of the chip. Complete. A $1,200 piece of computation power. Even packaged, they're tested again. Packed by the thousands. Batch in microchips. Each tested. Each verified. From here to data centers worldwide. $10 million chips, one container, $12 billion value. These chips power the AI you use every day. ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Tesla FSD, all powered by factories like this. And they're building bigger ones. The chip race has just begun. Inside the $10 billion factory that powers artificial intelligence.